Hey, today is my English chat, and today is 2019, December 7th, and today my activity, the basic activity is as follow. About English, read English article and watch English video about kind of documentary or scientific things, and and I study about vocabulary and about preparation for the English interview. Today I also say it loud. You mean mainly about the self-introduction, how to do the self-introduction. Try to remember the outline and also practice the greeting and small talks and those kind of things. And also today I create resume. You mean consider. I still have to consider the content. I have. It's a little bit difficult to write or decide what to write in my experience about my volunteer or about what I did in the university. Yes, those are a little bit difficult, so it takes a little bit more time. I want to finish it until Thursday because at Thursday I always meet. I always go to English class, and I can meet there I can meet and ask my teacher to revise it. So I want to prepare until Thursday. I'm not sure I can, but I want to think about the content or what I write in the resume. And about the UI UX, I study about the color principles, layout principle, UI UX works, and also touch Figma. And today I also I joined or participate in kind of online workshop. Technically, it's not a workshop, but it's kind of just a lecture because the only I have to do is just listen and sometimes question, but there is few questions. So I think it's kind of online lecture, or about kind of explanation. Is the content of the lecture or the workshop is about studying abroad, how to work abroad, and mainly about for me this time it was mainly about the Canada. So how to work if you want to work at Canada, what you should do first, and what kind of school do you have to go, and after that what kind of visa you will able to get it. In order to achieve that, what should you do before, after reaching Canada, or before in the Japan, what do you have to do? Those kind of explanation were carried out or explained, and those are really. It was long because it was more than 4 hours. So I was a little bit tired, but also I can't say that because the teacher must be more tired or than that, so I can't blame that. But anyway, what I want to say was it was very educational. It has a lot of information, and those are very important for me, and I really appreciate it. I can that because what is great because I can listen it with no charge. I can listen, or I can join it on free. It's just free, no pay. So I really appreciate it and thankful about that. Yeah, and there's a lot of useful information, so I take a note, and I also record some kind of information. And usually it was on the online, so I was helpful because mostly it is held in the urban, not rural, suburban, or you mean Tokyo in Japan. So if there was held or carried out in Tokyo, I got to go to Tokyo. It takes a lot of times, or even I have to stay night or stay by the hotel. But this time it wasn't online, so the only I have to do is just activate the applications and watch them, and it was very convenient. So I really grateful and appreciate that organization that which carry out this online workshop. I really want to say thank you. And that's all. Thank you for watching today.